What's up, guys? Today we are doing a water gun video. They're actually filling up right now. We're getting into it. Yeah. Hey, before we start, make sure you turn that like button blue and subscribe. That'll really help us out. All right, let's start. The rules of the game are simple. 3 splashes and you're out. All right, we're gonna start. 3, 2, 1, go. Owen minus 1. Owen minus 1. Owen minus 2. Jacob minus 1. Oh.
I hit him.
Owen minus 3. He's out of here. He died, guys. Refill break. Jacob won that last one. Now it's Gabe versus Jacob.
I wish Lulu was one of those dogs that likes to swim in the pool.
Lulu just got a haircut. Does she look better with longer hair or shorter hair? Comment down below. Why do you think you're going to win today?
Because I'm awesome.
That's a pretty solid answer. Jacob, why do you think you're going to win today?
Because I'm a super soaker.
You're a what?
Super soaker.
Oh. All right, well, time for the truth.
Stop, Owen, stop!
3, 2, 1, go.
Can't reach me with that water hose, Owen.
They're closing in.
No, you can't do that.
Owen's just spraying. Gabe gets the first shot. -1, Jacob. Oh, they're running. They're running. Jacob hits Gabe, -1. These things can shoot pretty far.
I got Jacob!
-2, Jacob. He's running. He's on the run. He's running as fast as he can go. Oh, here comes Gabe.
My thing's open.
Oh, his water thing's open. He should have checked that. Oh, Jacob's charging. He's coming in. Oh, Gabe goes for the long shot. I don't think that works. Oh.
I got him.
Jacob -3. Gabe wins. How do you feel about this victory?
I feel great. Can I eat it?
Ew, no, you can't eat it.
Wash. They defeated your gods.
What? They'll pay. I'll never let them get my treasure.